when you're installing the chin curtain on your new strobe, make sure that the center tab on the chin curtain goes under the red button that releases the chin bar, as you see here, and slide the tabs in around the edge, and you'll be all set. The breath box is easily removed and replaced by aligning the tabs on the bottom of the breath box behind the chin bar. There's a small space right behind the ceiling gasket for the face shield, and you can align it and wiggle it in. You shouldn't have any problem. It does take a little bit of adjustment to make sure that you've got it in properly so it stays in place, but then you just work it in bit by bit, as you can see in the video. Slide it up under that gasket, and you're all set, ready to ride.